Boys and girls, welcome back to RC Cars UK, out again on a glorious evening in sunny East Devon. Look at this thing, what a beast, what an absolute beast this is. So we're firmly at 1/6 scale now. We've got a 600mm wheelbase and a 44 track, yeah? So this track is longer than most people's rigs actually at 440. So here we go, we're on the same setup that we were before. Bloody hell, that's heavy. We're on the same setup that we were before, guys. So we're running a dual motor setup, all-wheel drive, independent drive to the rear axles and independent drive to the front axles. Fantastic. We've started to add some scale details to here now, including a little ancillary tank and pump unit. We've started to add some scale details inside as well, and some on top, some at the back. Yeah, so there's a little fan set up there, there's a little flag set up. Hashtag Team Shunty. Wait. Right guys, so what are we missing off here to complete this? We're missing a windscreen, obviously. We're missing some scale details, obviously. But main thing that we're missing, bed. There's no bed, but it's coming, it's on the way. So we're going to be using a champagne box, a wooden champagne box made out of basswood, but it is 55 centimeters long, 34 centimeters wide, 17 centimeters deep, which means it'll fit perfectly on the back of here, and I can cut out the rear arches. So there you go. Let's get it out and let's have a little test of this today, just to test the functionality, see if everything's working. Hopefully I've wired everything in right, but there we go. Fingers crossed there, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and stick around because we're not quite finished yet. We're going to get some extra cool things on this soon, like the bed and a light setup and stuff like that. Not the interior lights, I mean an exterior light setup. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you tuning in. Please leave a like, subscribe if you're not subbed to me, and all the rest of it. Cheers, guys.